Hi, Zahid here again, and as I was saying that we will be discussing about the details of the program in a presentation. So let's get started. Again, what is graphic design? Graphic design is actually a combination of different kinds of elements that we're using for communication, right? It is actually part of art and it is also part of science. We need to properly plan and project our ideas, okay? Because whoever we will be communicating with, whoever will be seeing our designs, either it is going to be on a product or if it is going to be on a very small business card, wherever it is going to be, it has to be communicated properly. And we need to give that specific person a good experience, right? And the form that can take place, it can be either be physical or it can be virtual, or in this case, it can also be digital, okay? You will use images, text, words, and graphics, and all of these things will be combined together to form different kinds of creative content that we need. We need to generate creative ideas. We need to generate proper elements for any design platform. Now, what are the different kinds of services that we can provide? Starting from basic logo designs, okay, to print materials like brochures, banners, billboards. We can also create websites. We can create the entire branding of a company, okay? We can create animated graphics like infographics. We can also create digital web banners, okay? So all of these things combine together, and there's much more that we can all get into. Now, wherever you are moving out, design is everywhere. It is in the form of a billboard, okay? It's possibly in the form of a product, or even if it is, it's on your iPhone, where you have different kinds of icons and text. And if you don't have those icons or text, you will not be able to navigate through your phone, okay? So all of these design elements, either it be digital, or if it is on print, or if it is a banner or a billboard, okay? Design is everywhere. For example, even if you're watching TV, okay? Nowadays we can actually stream. We watch Netflix, we watch videos on YouTube, we watch videos on Facebook as well, okay? So wherever we are watching these things, the design elements are all there, okay? So you need to understand that graphic design is simply not related to only just print material. It is not only just related to products. It can also go for digital content as well. So in a nutshell, we have basically two different kinds of media. One, print media, another is the electronic media.